How to connect TradingView to MetaTrader 5 Easy Method Step-by-Step Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect TradingView to MetaTrader 5 using a simple and easy method. This will allow you to analyze the market on TradingView while placing your trades on MetaTrader 5. So let's get started. First, open the TradingView website or app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, open any chart for the asset you want to trade, such as gold, forex pairs, or crypto. Now, the important thing to understand is that TradingView and MetaTrader 5 do not connect directly by default. Instead, you need to make sure that the same broker is available on both platforms. So the next step is to check your broker. Many brokers allow you to view charts on TradingView and trade using MetaTrader 5. To do this, go to the Trading Panel section at the bottom of TradingView. Here, you'll see a list of supported brokers. If your broker is listed, simply select it and log in with your trading account details. Once connected, you can analyze charts on TradingView and then place your trades directly through the broker connection. If your broker is not available on TradingView, you can still use TradingView for market analysis and then manually open the same trade in your MetaTrader 5 app. So, simply check the price levels, support and resistance, or indicators on TradingView and then switch to MetaTrader 5 to execute the trade. And that's it. That's the easy way to connect and use TradingView with MetaTrader 5 for trading. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more trading tutorials.